Hi guys, today I'm going to bring you some delicious 15-minute meals. Now these meals you can have for lunch or for dinner or whenever else you like to make them. They're nourishing, they're balanced, they're filling, and of course they're easy to make. And if you want easy things like this, more easy recipes, make sure you check out the last video I did. It was a 5-ingredient vegan recipe video. And I have another 15-minute video. Check that out after you watch this. Let's get started with our first recipe. For our first recipe, we're making Korean barbecue jackfruit tacos. Drain a can of green jackfruit and then use a fork to shred it. Place it into a pot along with some barbecue sauce. I'm using this delicious Korean barbecue sauce, but any kind will do. Stir well and simmer on medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. While the jackfruit is cooking, slice some red cabbage, cut up some lime wedges, open an avocado, and warm up your tortillas. I like warming my tortillas on open flame because they get nice and burnt along the edges, but you could also put them in the microwave or do them in a pan. Once the jackfruit is delicious and tender, you can make your tacos. Fill the tortillas with the avocado, jackfruit, the red cabbage, some cilantro, and a squeeze of fresh lime. Okay, now we're gonna make this gorgeous chickpea tuna sandwich. It smells amazing. I like having it as a sandwich, a wrap, or even as an open-faced sandwich. There are a few secret ingredients in this tuna salad that make it super similar to the real thing, only better because it doesn't have the tuna. My non-vegan friend was just over here and he ate some and he was shocked. So I think that's a good sign. I think you'll like this too. This recipe is super fast and easy because the food processor is going to do all the work. Start by draining and rinsing your chickpeas. Add them to the food processor along with vegan mayo, Dijon mustard, ume plum vinegar, black pepper, cayenne pepper, dulse seaweed, and diced celery. Pulse to combine. You gotta make sure that you don't create hummus. You still want to keep some of the texture of the chickpeas. To assemble your sandwich, lightly toast your favorite bread, sliced tomato, and thinly sliced red onion. Layer some lettuce, the chickpea tuna, sliced tomato, onions, some more lettuce, and then the final piece of bread. I'm gonna wrap mine up in parchment paper because it's easier to transport this way and easier to cut. Now we're gonna make our delicious broccolini and mushroom pasta. Start by warming up about a tablespoon of oil in a cast iron skillet. Then add your sliced mushrooms, thinly sliced zucchini. I sliced it in this way just because it looks nice in the pasta. And add the stems of the broccolini. I have the thicker stems so that they would cook more quickly. Add a sprinkle of salt and then place the lid of a smaller pan on top of the vegetables. Make sure the heat is high enough for everything to cook through quickly. After about 5 minutes of cooking, give everything a stir, add the broccolini tops, and place the lid back onto your vegetables. Cook for another 5 minutes or so until all the vegetables are tender. Once the veggies are tender, add tomato sauce, fennel seeds, and red chili flakes. And stir it all together. Add the cooked pasta and stir well. Remove from the heat and season to taste with more salt and black pepper if you'd like. Serve your pasta with nutritional yeast and fresh parsley. It's so delicious. This is the perfect weeknight or weekend dinner. I love that you can make pasta so quickly, and if you fill it with things like mushrooms and green vegetables like this broccolini, it makes it extra healthy. And I love that little tip about covering the mushrooms and the vegetables to make them cook more quickly and also make sure the mushrooms are even more meaty. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my 15-minute vegan recipes. Let me know which one you are most excited about trying. For me, I love them all, but I am a little bit partial to the pasta just because I love pasta. It's so delicious. Those tacos are also incredible. So let me know what you're gonna try, and once you do try them, let me know how you like them. Leave a comment in the comment section below, and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to Sweet Potato Soul, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss a future Sweet Potato Soul video. Don't forget to check out my other easy vegan videos. And if you're new to the vegan lifestyle, I have a whole playlist on how to go vegan the easy, healthy, best way. And I'll link all that stuff down below as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.